Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is modern periodic table. Mandel's periodic law की स्टेटमेंट ये थी कि the properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. हेनरी मोज़ले ने एटॉमिक नंबर डिस्कवर किया in 1913 and 1914 और उसके बाद उसने मैंडलीज पीरियोडिक लॉ में एटॉमिक मासेस की जगह एटॉमिक नंबर फिक्स कर दिया और अब यही मैंडलीज पीरियोडिक लॉ बन गया मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ। और मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक लॉ की स्टेटमेंट क्या बन गई? द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स आर द पीरियोडिक फंक्शन ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक नंबर्स। अगर हम एलिमेंट्स को इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर एटॉमिक नंबर्स प्लेस करें तो उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज रिपीट होती हैं और उसकी बेसिस पर उसने पूरी मैंडलीज पीरियोडिक टेबल को मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल में तब्दील कर दिया। ये मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल भी कहलाती है और लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ पीरियोडिक टेबल भी कहलाती है। लॉन्ग फॉर्म या एक्सटेंडेड फॉर्म इसलिए कहते हैं कि ये लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ काफ़ी वाइडर है। अगर हम कंपोजिशन देखें पीरियोडिक टेबल की तो हमें नज़र आएगा इसमें एस ब्लॉक भी है, जैसे कि ये आपको हाइलाइटर से नज़र आ रहा है। एस ब्लॉक भी है, पी ब्लॉक भी है, दिस इज पी ब्लॉक एंड this is D block and the last one is F block. So modern periodic table consists of four blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. Another thing which we can observe in modern periodic table is vertical columns. These vertical columns are known as groups. There are 8 groups in the modern periodic table and both type of groups are there, A type and B type. So one A can be seen and also one B can also be seen. तो इस हिसाब से ये हमारे पास 8 groups पर consist करती है modern periodic table. Another way to study the elements is the periods. Left to right, these rows are called periods. Like we can observe that there are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. तो modern periodic table को blocks की basis पर भी study किया जाता है, modern periodic table को groups की basis पर भी study किया जाता है और modern periodic table को periods की basis पर भी study किया जाता है। What are the salient features or advantages of modern periodic table? Number one is composition of periodic table. We have just observed that modern periodic table consists of blocks, periods and groups are further subdivided into subgroups. Next is basis of periodic law. Mendel's periodic law की basis क्या थी? It was based upon atomic masses, but modern periodic law is based upon atomic number. Next is structure of atom. We can easily predict the last configuration of any element from the periodic table. That is the main feature of the modern periodic table. Like if an element is found in S block, it means its last configuration is in S orbital, and from period number we can observe the last shell of that element. So structure of atom can easily be predicted by the help of modern periodic table. Position of isotopes. It was also one of the major problem of the Mendel's periodic table. In Mendel's periodic table, elements were placed on the basis of their atomic masses. So each and every element would have some isotopes, and each and every isotope should be placed in that Mendel's periodic table. But modern periodic table is based upon atomic numbers, so there is no question of isotopes in the modern periodic table. Each and every element will have only one place. What are the weaknesses? Although these are not big weaknesses, but still we can find some irregularities or weaknesses in the modern periodic table. Position of hydrogen. Hydrogen can be placed depending upon its chemical properties or depending upon its electronic configuration. In both way, hydrogen can be placed in the modern periodic table. So where should we place hydrogen in the modern periodic table? Again, this is a question. Next is position of helium. On the basis of electronic configuration, it should be placed in group 2A, but on the basis of chemical properties it should be placed in zero group element. Next is position of lanthanide series and actinide series. Both these series are found outside the main body of the periodic table. These series should be present in the main body of the periodic table. Coinage elements. Coinage element consist of three columns, but they are grouped together in one group. Thank you very much.